In a world filled with health claims and miracle cures, true health wisdom often comes from understanding the remarkable healing powers found right in our kitchen cabinets. Today, we're exploring Dr. William Li's groundbreaking research on 2 common spices that might be the secret duo for longevity, powerful allies that repair DNA, fight cancer, and reduce inflammation throughout your body. These aren't just ordinary seasonings. They represent a remarkable connection between food and medicine that could transform your health journey. Dr. William Li stands at the forefront of the food as medicine movement. As the president and founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation, Dr. William Li has dedicated his career to understanding how the foods we eat can prevent disease by targeting the body's health defense systems. His research has been featured in prestigious scientific journals, and his TED Talk, "Can We Eat to Starve Cancer?" has been viewed millions of times. With training from Harvard Medical School and a background working with the National Institutes of Health, Dr. Li bridges the gap between conventional medicine and nutritional science, showing us how certain foods can activate our body's innate healing capabilities. What makes Dr. Li's approach so revolutionary is his focus on identifying specific bioactive compounds in everyday foods that can influence our health at the cellular level. Rather than viewing diet as simply providing calories and nutrients, he explores how foods contain powerful molecules that communicate with our cells, activating protective mechanisms that fight disease and promote longevity. This perspective transforms your kitchen into a pharmacy of sorts, where the right ingredients can become powerful tools for health maintenance and disease prevention. Before we dive into the 2 remarkable spices that form Dr. Li's longevity duo, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you value this kind of health wisdom. Your engagement helps us build a community focused on evidence-based approaches to nutrition and wellness. Now, let's discover these 2 extraordinary spices that might already be sitting in your spice rack, waiting to unleash their healing potential in your daily meals. The first star of Dr. Li's longevity duo is turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice that has colored and flavored Indian cuisine for thousands of years. What makes turmeric so special is its active compound curcumin, which Dr. Li has studied extensively for its remarkable health protective properties. When you incorporate turmeric into your diet regularly, you're introducing a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that works at the molecular level to reduce chronic inflammation, a root cause of many age-related diseases that can decrease your lifespan and quality of life. What happens in your body when you consume turmeric? According to Dr. Li's research, curcumin targets multiple cellular pathways simultaneously. It helps repair damaged DNA by activating enzymes that fix breaks in your genetic material, protecting your cells from mutations that could lead to cancer development. Think of it as having molecular repair teams on standby, ready to fix problems before they compromise your cellular health. This DNA protection becomes increasingly important as you age and your cells face more oxidative stress and environmental damage. Beyond DNA repair, turmeric demonstrates remarkable cancer-fighting properties that Dr. Li has highlighted in his research. Curcumin has been shown to inhibit angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels that feed tumors, essentially starving cancer cells before they can grow and spread. This targeted approach represents a revolutionary way to think about cancer prevention through your diet. By consuming turmeric regularly, you provide your body with natural compounds that establish an internal environment that's hostile to cancer cell development. The inflammation-fighting power of turmeric extends to protecting your brain health as well. Chronic inflammation in the brain has been linked to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Dr. Li points out that countries with high turmeric consumption, like India, have significantly lower rates of these conditions. When you include turmeric in your diet, the curcumin crosses the blood-brain barrier and directly reduces neuroinflammation, potentially preserving your cognitive function as you age and supporting better memory and mental clarity throughout your life. Many people have experienced turmeric's benefits firsthand. Susan, a 58-year-old teacher from Colorado, incorporated a quarter teaspoon of turmeric into her morning smoothie every day for 6 months. She noticed a significant reduction in her joint pain and improved mobility, allowing her to return to hiking, a passion she had nearly abandoned due to discomfort. Her experience reflects what many of Dr. Lee's patients report: the consistent, moderate consumption of this powerful spice can create noticeable improvements in quality of life. The second component of Dr. Lee's longevity duo is black pepper, specifically its active compound piperine. While this might seem like a humble addition, Dr. Lee emphasizes that black pepper is far more than just a flavor enhancer. Piperine has been shown to have its own impressive array of health protective properties, including antioxidant effects that neutralize free radicals and prevent cellular damage. When you add black pepper to your meals, you're introducing compounds that help maintain the integrity of your cells against the daily assaults they face from environmental toxins and metabolic processes. What makes this combination truly remarkable is the synergy between these two spices. Dr. Lee explains that piperine dramatically increases the bioavailability of curcumin by up to 2,000%. When you consume black pepper alongside turmeric, the piperine inhibits liver enzymes that would normally break down curcumin before it can be absorbed, allowing much more of this beneficial compound to enter your bloodstream and reach your tissues. This partnership ensures that you receive the maximum benefit from both spices, creating a powerful one-two punch against inflammation, oxidative stress, and cellular damage. The cancer protective effects of this duo are particularly noteworthy in Dr. Lee's research. Studies have shown that piperine not only enhances curcumin's cancer-fighting properties, but also has independent effects against various types of cancer cells. It appears to help prevent cancer cells from developing resistance to treatment, a major challenge in conventional cancer therapies. By incorporating this spice combination into your daily diet, you create an internal environment that's constantly working against cancer development on multiple fronts, from preventing DNA damage to inhibiting tumor growth. Dr. Lee often shares the story of Michael, a 62-year-old with a family history of colorectal cancer. After learning about the protective effects of these spices, Michael began adding a turmeric black pepper mixture to his roasted vegetables 3 times weekly. During his next screening colonoscopy, his doctor was surprised to find that several precancerous polyps that had been monitored for years had actually diminished in size, an outcome that coincided with his dietary changes. While this is just one anecdotal case, it illustrates the potential real-world impact of these powerful food compounds. The anti-inflammatory benefits of this spice duo extend to cardiovascular health as well. Dr. Lee points to research showing that regular consumption of turmeric and black pepper can help reduce inflammatory markers associated with heart disease, while also improving cholesterol profiles and enhancing endothelial function, the health of the cells lining your blood vessels. This translates to better circulation, lower risk of plaque formation, and protection against heart attacks and strokes. Your heart beats approximately 100,000 times per day, pumping blood through roughly 60,000 miles of blood vessels. Protecting this vital system is essential for longevity, and these spices offer powerful support. How can you incorporate Dr. Lee's longevity duo into your daily routine? The good news is that it doesn't require radical dietary changes or expensive supplements. Adding a quarter to half teaspoon of turmeric to your soups, stews, smoothies, or roasted vegetables, along with a pinch of freshly ground black pepper, provides a therapeutic dose of these compounds. Dr. Lee suggests making golden milk a warm beverage with turmeric, black pepper, and your choice of milk as an evening ritual that can reduce inflammation while you sleep. The key is consistency rather than quantity, Small daily doses over time yield the most significant benefits for your long-term health. Remember that these spices work best as part of an overall anti-inflammatory diet rich in a variety of plant foods. Dr. Lee emphasizes that while turmeric and black pepper are powerful, they should complement a diverse diet filled with colorful vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, and healthy fats like those found in olive oil, avocados, nuts, and fatty fish rich in omega-3s. This combination creates a symphony of beneficial compounds that work together to protect your health on multiple levels, enhancing the effects of the turmeric-black pepper duo. Have you been overlooking these common spices in your cabinet? Ask yourself how you might incorporate this powerful pair into your meals this week. Could you add them to your morning eggs, lunchtime soup, or evening rice dish? The beauty of these spices is their versatility. They can enhance almost any savory dish, while simultaneously boosting your health. Small, consistent changes to your daily habits can lead to profound long-term benefits for your health and longevity. As we wrap up this exploration of Dr. William Lee's longevity duo, remember that true health wisdom often lies in simple, accessible solutions, rather than exotic supplements or complicated regimens. These two common spices represent the powerful principle at the heart of the food as medicine movement, that the foods and spices we choose every day communicate with our cells in ways that either promote health or disease. Your daily choices create a cumulative effect that can significantly influence your health trajectory over time. We hope this information empowers you to make simple yet powerful changes to your daily routine. If you found this valuable, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this information with someone you care about, perhaps a friend or family member who could benefit from incorporating these healing spices into their diet. Your comments below about how you use turmeric and black pepper in your cooking will help build our community of health-conscious individuals sharing practical wisdom. Together, we can create a movement that recognizes the healing power of food and brings this ancient wisdom into our modern lives for better health and longevity.